Hey Tigers, I am coming to you from a undisclosed location. It's just the book room. So I'm gonna do a new tutorial to show you how to submit and turn it in since they've changed the way you do it. So I'm gonna click on my class, and then I'm submitting a rough draft. So I want to click open, and then I want to click upload submission. Now, sometimes people try to do this upload submission and they download the file from Google Drive, they make it a PDF or whatever, and oftentimes on the Chromebooks it'll get all bound up and it doesn't really work, and so then kids say, I can't upload it. So I would choose not to use that. The text inputter isn't good either, because then you're copying and pasting, you're putting it in, and it takes out all of the formatting and makes your essay look terrible. So you want to do cloud submission, and you want to go and just pull it straight from Google Drive. So it's going to access your Google Drive, and then I'm going to search. So my file is called breakfast, and here it is. And then I'm going to click select, and it's uploading. Takes a little bit of time because it's thinking. There it is. I click submit to turn it in, and it's complete and it's submitted. And you know that it's done because it'll show up right here. And now you're all ready for peer review, and you're ready for teacher comments if you're getting teacher comments, whatever you need. All right, hopefully that helps. See you later, Tigers. Bye.